right here at San Antonio Raceway at the TSD Truck Shootout. So tell me about this badass Chevy you got behind you, man.
It's a 99 half-ton. It was converted to an LLY when I bought it. We have since then converted it over to an LBZ, did the cage. It's got an LBZ block, a lot of SoCal diesel goodies in it, extra G500 injectors, dual extra G12 mil strokers, a triple setup built by Scott at SDP, Screaming Diesel Performance. We're running an S480 SX in the Valley, the 272s. They're just Boxberg Warner 72s with 83 exhaust housing. Not much more to that, just a fabbed up kit. It is a half-ton truck, so the kit is a one-off kit. It wouldn't fit anything else. It was a pain in the ass to build, I'm not even gonna lie. Front differential is off a 3/4 ton. We had to murder it to make it fit.
Yep.
Rear end is off of a late model LS, so it's a 14-bolt rear end. Suspension is just something we threw together. A lot of it's still stock. We're still running leaf springs in the rear. Coilovers in the front, and Viking shocks. Viking are supposed to have the best valve.
Real quick, I want to go back over the suspension. Was it a 2-wheel drive when you started, or was it a 4x drive?
It's been a 4-wheel drive all along. Yeah, it's a Z71, 99 Z71 1500. It had a 5.3 in it originally.
So what'd you have to do to the front end to modify it for a diesel?
Not really anything. We have plates that we bolt to the motor, and we actually are running the half-ton motor mount, so everything fits.
Oh man, that's cool.
Yeah,
dude.
that's
a
not
really
too
cool
bad.
setup.
Yeah, that's not too bad.
So this could be a pretty easy swap for somebody else that wanted to try it out.
Yeah, actually, there's a lot of write-ups on the forums. A lot of people have done this. So Chris Wessel is the guy that did this. He has a write-up on it on performancetrucks.net. That's actually where most of the information is about that. So yeah, it is a pretty easy conversion.
The frame is still factory too? You have to brace it up anywhere, or what about the rear end too?
We didn't do any bracing on the frame. Half-ton frame is fairly stout. It wouldn't be enough for sled pulling, but it is enough for drag racing. We didn't brace anything. We just did rear mount shocks. We just moved the shocks to the rear because the GM offset doesn't work very well. That and of course some coilovers and stuff like that. That really helps it a lot. We're still, running traction bars and stuff. So instead of Caltrax, it's not that great. 4-link would be better, but
yeah. Well, man, it's a freaking sick ass truck. I love it, man. I hope y'all get some good run-ins today, man.
All right, thank you, man.